Everything begins inside a secret laboratory where scientists are carrying out dangerous experiments. They believe they can control the unknown, but one small mistake changes everything. A mysterious infection begins to spread, and no one realizes how serious the situation has become. As fear grows, the victims start behaving strangely. Their bodies change, their minds disappear, and they become violent. The researchers who once searched for answers are now desperately trying to survive. The infection spreads faster than anyone expected. Hallways that were once filled with scientists become deadly traps. Every door could hide another infected victim, and every second becomes a fight for survival. Meanwhile, a determined investigator starts uncovering the truth behind the secret experiments. He realizes that powerful people have been hiding dangerous information from the world. The disaster was never an accident. It was the result of human greed and reckless ambition. As the survivors struggle to escape, they must make impossible choices. Trust becomes dangerous, and even friends can become enemies in an instant. The line between hero and victim begins to disappear. In the final moments, hope seems almost impossible. The survivors know that escaping the laboratory is only the beginning. If the infection reaches the outside world, millions of innocent lives could be at risk. This isn't just a story about monsters. It's a warning about what can happen when science is pushed beyond its limits and humanity loses control. Sometimes the greatest danger isn't the virus itself, it's the decisions that created it.
嚟遲咗添。
哎呀，邊個唔好彩啊？老乜都要錯啊！
你唔好彩啊！
誒，三哥，
哇！成條街水靜河飛，鬼影都冇隻。今晚實執到平嘢啊！
三哥啊，呢啲龜甲安唔安全㗎？
定啦，總之咧就唔好擰轉頭，有乜依喐就攞符棍對佢咯。
哦，
唉，對咗成個禮拜鹹魚半，又乾又旱，真係難頂啊！諗起玉卿同紫薇真係爽死啊！
玉卿同紫薇，我恨篤咗好耐㗎啦。
今日咁嘅環境，你想玩到化石都得啦。係啊，話你聽啊，我有支頭㗎。
咁好啊？
係啊，玉卿、紫薇，我好心急嚟揾你啊，等埋我啊！
三哥，有嘢打我個頭啊！
千祈唔好擰轉頭啊，對咗佢先講啦。對啊，乜鬼都冇嘅。
咁點算啊？
唔好理咁多啦，你走係上着啦。你唔好咬我住，叫埋計先啊！玉卿啊，紫薇啊！